Deadlines are close, compliance is complex, and quality can't wait. Meet CDG, your trusted source for ready-to-use digital documentation kits, templates, checklists, and report formats across industries. We create professionally structured, fully editable formats so you can implement standards faster without starting from scratch. Instant download. Immediate productivity. Accreditation documents, meant for getting accreditation. Comprehensive manuals, procedures, and forms designed to help you demonstrate competence and impartiality with confidence. ISO certification documents, to implement and achieve ISO certification across various standards. Clause-aligned, audit-ready, and easy to tailor to your organization. Inspection checklists, for conducting various types of inspections. Clear checkpoints, acceptance criteria, and space for findings, built for field use. Audit report formats, for conducting various types of audits. Structured sections, evidence logs, non-conformities, observations, and OFIs. Everything you need to report professionally. Product certification documents, to implement and achieve product certifications. From requirements mapping to test evidence and technical files, organized and ready. International standards documents, to achieve certification to various international standards. Get globally aligned structures that make audits smoother. Browse preview. Purchase. Download instantly. Every file opens in common editors and is fully customizable to your processes. Save time, reduce rework, and pass audits with confidence. Our formats are practical, professionally written, and field-tested across industries. Certification bodies, testing labs, manufacturers, logistics providers, healthcare facilities, tech startups. Teams that value clarity and speed choose CDG. Ready to accelerate compliance and quality? Power your workflows with CDG digital documents today. Explore our categories and download instantly.